Bird feeding is an inexpensive, educational, and entertaining pastime for children and adults alike. I found it so cool to learn that the first instance of a human feeding a bird was a 6th century monk, Saint Cerf of Fife, but the first commercially available bird feeder wasn't introduced until 1926. Today, we'll be making our own beef suet bird feeders to continue in the long tradition of humans feeding our feathered friends. Let's check it out! Hi there, I'm Michelle with the Goffstown Public Library, where I'm an adult services librarian. Welcome or welcome back to our library. We're so happy to have you as we learn how to make beef suet bird feeders. Here's what you'll need. 1.5 cups of bird seed, a stick about 10 inches long, a piece of twine about 8 inches long, a piece of wire about 8 inches long, a ceramic mug, half a pound of beef suet available from most grocery store butchers, a small pot, and a small mesh strainer or slotted spoon. You'll also need access to a stovetop and a refrigerator. Grab your pot and your beef suet, and I'll meet you at the stovetop.
Begin the process of rendering the beef suet by placing the suet in a small pot on your stovetop. Heat the suet on medium-low for about 20 minutes or until fully melted. While we wait for that, let's prepare the mug. Trim your stick so that when it touches the bottom of the mug, it extends 4 inches past the rim. Wrap a piece of wire around the point on the stick that is level with the lip of the mug. This will secure the stick so it doesn't move while the suet dries. Next, fill your mug with approximately 1.5 cups of birdseed. It's been about 20 minutes, so I'll return to the suet. As you can see, the fat has rendered into an oil. Depending on the purity of your suet, there may still be chunks floating in. That's fine, we'll just strain through that mesh strainer right into the mug. Remember, this is boiling oil, so be very careful. Use the stick to distribute the birdseed throughout the suet. Then let it cool on your counter for about 20 minutes. This suet has been cooling on the counter, and you can see that it's still liquid. So now it needs to harden up. For that, we'll take a trip to my refrigerator. We're going to leave the suet in the fridge for about 30 minutes. I'm going to check on it periodically to stir the suet and redistribute the birdseed. See you in 30 minutes. After 30 minutes of cooling in the fridge, the suet has set and we're ready to hang outside. I found myself a good tree branch and hung my suet mug with the twine. For you, this is the last step, tying the handle of the mug to a tree branch. All that's left to do after that is enjoy the birds this feeder attracts.
And there you have it, a finished suet bird feeder to help birds survive the winter. What birds are you hoping to see in your yard? Let me know in those comments. Or help out other crafters in our community by leaving tips and tricks that made you successful in the comments. Like and share this video if you got something out of it, and don't forget to subscribe. We've got crafts for all ages, book talks, author events, teen life skills, and more. Pretty much every event you love at the library available online anytime you want it. Subscribe and make sure you never miss a video. I'll be back soon for another how-to video, but in the meantime, you can connect with the Goffstown Public Library on social media, or you can visit www.goffstownlibrary.com to see what we're up to. Again, I'm Michelle with the Goffstown Public Library, and I'll check you out later. Bye!